Hello and welcome to all my sweet little children. So today, as always, we are making more creations, and I hope you have also made as many as possible because I show you beautiful and easy to make creations with DP Kids. Isn't that right? So today I thought we'll make something a bit different today. What do you think it is? It's a frog that has leapt onto a lotus leaf. Okay, so for this we need a green piece of paper. Even an A4 board would be nicer, would be better. And then a big circular sort of shape as a lotus leaf. Right, and then slightly smaller the frog to be, the frog that's about to leap out of the leaf. We need to draw the frog like this. I know y'all have practiced drawing this with our arts sir on DP Kids. So draw the frog like this, and we are going to cut him out and make a leaping frog. We also need 1 inch in width and 10 inches in length pieces of paper and some thin stripes like this. Baby, it's best to have one side thick and the other side thinner. And for the long tongue of the frogs, we need a longer sort of red piece of paper, red stripe, and the eyes, we need yellow and black little pieces of paper. First, let's paste the eyes. Now he has 2 big eyes, as you can see. Then we are going to make his tongue. So we have to roll it out. Remember how we did it in the earlier videos? Roll it out like that. And then if you don't have a scissor, you can even use a pencil for this. The pencil is safer in a sense. So if it's hard, or if you can't find a scissor, or if you're worried that it'll cut your hand, you can always use a pencil to roll like this. Okay. Now we are going to paste that in also to where the frog's mouth should be. So paste underneath the frog. Okay, now keep him aside and take these stripes where you have one side that is thicker than the other side, because they are parts of the lotus leaf, and paste it like this. See? Now, once you have finished pasting it, you can cut out whatever that is sticking out. Make sure you don't cut into the lotus leaf. Now, I told you that we need 2 other stripes, remember? So this is what we are going to do. Because our frog is about to leap, we have to make something like this. And then fold it in like this. This is the moving part of the frog. So once we put them together. So here, fold it in a crisscross way like this. And then when you come to the last part, just cut out the excess and then paste it like this. And this corner also should be applied with glue so that we can paste it onto the lotus leaf. Now the top part of that we have to apply some glue and then put the frog on top. Now we are going to see how the frog looks. See, the frog is about to leap. Can you see? He's about to jump when you press it like that. Try something like this, a frog. I know all you little children will love doing something like this. So make sure you try this and make this, and that you'll comment on our video saying whether you made it and whether you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell us what you'd like. See you soon.